Welcome back to my channel today. I have an absolute showstopper for you today. This is an old charm meeting modern day luxury in the heart of North Central Phoenix. This incredible estate at 309 East Hayward Avenue is priced at only $1.149 and offers everything you could ever want. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over $23.69 on the square footage. This is a thoughtfully designed living space. Homeowner and designer kept the original appeal of this amazing home. It has been completely updated and remodeled. Before we jump in, make sure you hit the subscribe button to follow more jaw-dropping home tours like this one. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know what features you love most in this home and share it with someone you're searching for your dream home with. Let's get started. As soon as you step inside, you'll feel the perfect blend of old world charm and modern luxury. This layout is open, warm, and absolutely stunning. The living area is so inviting with its timeless design, and the light just pours in from these large windows. And the light just pours in from these large windows. Everything about the space feels elegant yet totally livable. It's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. This is the primary suite. It's pretty large, has wonderful ceiling height. These floors are original, redone by the homeowner to keep the original charm. You do have a walk-in closet. And we're going to head into the master. Master bathroom. Absolutely beautiful. This walk-in shower, tiled throughout. These beautiful doors have all been replaced. Beautiful new handles. Again, as you can see, she kept that vintage charm. Okay, we have a kitchen that you may just fall in love with. It's a chef's dream with every detail carefully thought out. There is chic custom lacquered finished cabinets with rope inlay, glass doors, so stylish and functional. Quartz countertops and seamless backsplash tie this whole space together. We can't forget those amazing appliances. They are high-end Café with bronze accents. They're as gorgeous as practical. You even, with this amazing kitchen, you're gonna get these great drawers. So homeowner thought of everything. There is storage everywhere in this amazing kitchen, along with this island. This is definitely a dream kitchen. Check out this dining area. Exquisite, gorgeous, perfect for entertaining. The lighting is absolutely amazing. And this mosaic tile right here, perfect, absolutely perfect. Again, this house was done so well. There's so many fun features. We have a full bathroom right here. Wonderful brass features. Custom mirrors, lighting, and look at this. It is a dream tub. That's what I'm gonna call it. This is where you wanna go on a Friday night after a long week. Just wanna relax in the tub. Such a wonderful house. All right, we are gonna head back this way. And we're gonna highlight some of the bedrooms. The main home features 3 spacious bedrooms and gorgeous, luxurious bathrooms. Perfect for kids, guests, or even a home office if needed. So they are pretty good size. Again, gorgeous flooring throughout this home. Homeowner did a great job. Neutral colors, beautiful custom lighting. And this bathroom's super fun. You have a 0 entry walk-in shower. I love the details. Look at that shower head. That is beautiful. Along with the sink and mirror combo. Yes, it has that Victorian charm. But definite modern feel. Everything is so clean and new. Move-in ready. If you or someone you know is looking to move to the historical area of Phoenix, get some homes with some charm, character, and this one's completely redone, which is amazing. And we're gonna head this way to the office. So there's an office in the front of your new home. It is cute and quaint. It's your neighborhood view. So wonderful office space. Nice tall ceilings. Again, this home is absolutely beautiful, move-in ready. One of the fun features in this home is going to be this amazing hidden doorway. Are you ready? Laundry room. So you have beautiful granite countertops. Lots of space to do laundry. And again, this super fun door. Great place to hide out. And you do have this coat closet right here. So lots of storage in this home. All right, so this is the gorgeous spa retreat backyard. Lots of privacy. It's a great size home. You have this amazing heated pool, heated hot tub, fountains. This is what it's like to live in Arizona. Again, we are in Phoenix. So much to do. We are close to so many restaurants, easy access to the freeways, centrally located. This is a great little place if you're looking for a central location. And if you're moving in from out of state and you're looking for a home that just has a little bit something different, this would definitely fit the bill. So this amazing backyard, lots of privacy. You do have this side yard over here, which is wonderful. Could easily put a RV gate over there. Home sellers also said it would be pretty easy to set up a pumping area. So if you did want to set up an RV, it is possible. And bada bing, bada boom. Guest house. So this is a 1-bedroom guest house in great shape. I mean, this property, all the windows have been replaced inside and out, and even in the guest house. You have AC out here. A full bathroom. So tub shower combo. This is a great area if you have older kids or family members that need to stay with you, or if you want to turn this into a little vacation rental. I mean, you do have a gate, great opportunity to make some income if that's something you'd be interested in. Mature trees and plants. Lots of privacy. This is a great home. If you or someone you know would like to see this home, you want more information, please feel free to contact me. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like more videos like this one. Also, if you have any questions or want to see how you can get qualified to purchase this property, I can definitely help you get started with that. Have an awesome day.